Welcome family and friends to Pagan's Beauty. I hope you're having the most awesome and amazing day ever and that it's full of positive light and all the circumstances in your life are going well for you. I hope you enjoy this hairstyle, this updo. Also friends, I have tagged all the stuff that you might need to replicate this hairstyle in the description box. I hope you enjoy. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Comment your favorite part and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means a lot to me. Have an amazing day, friends, and until next time, bye.